Hi, my name is Mickey, and I'm going to try this new product that I found online called the OmniShaver.
I can shave my whole head within 1 minute. So I'm just telling you, not like other products.
What's unique about this is it's got two blades. So this one here shaves this direction, this one shaves the other way, so you're going back and forth, you're shaving 2 strokes at one time.
Just want to do.
And here we go.
Nicely.
I've been using this now for, I think, going over like a month now, and I have yet to cut myself. And as you notice, I didn't stop once to rinse it off.
How clean this big shave. It's great.
Wow, that was really fast.
OmniShaver, it's the way to go.